Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a learning management system with Moodle, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by defining your objectives for the learning management system. Identify the target audience who will use the LMS. Visit the official Moodle website to download the latest version of the software. Choose the appropriate hosting solution for your Moodle installation. Consider options such as shared hosting, VPS, or dedicated servers. Once you have chosen a hosting provider, sign up for a hosting plan. Utilize the file transfer protocol to upload the Moodle files to your server. Create a new database for your Moodle installation. Access your hosting control panel to manage your database. Configure the database settings to ensure proper connectivity. Open your web browser and navigate to your Moodle installation URL. Follow the installation prompts to set up the Moodle environment. Enter the database information when prompted. Create an admin account and set initial preferences. Once installed, log in to your admin dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout and features of the dashboard. Begin by configuring site settings to suit your institution's needs. Set up user roles and permissions based on your organization structure. Create course categories to organize learning materials effectively. Develop a sample course to understand the content management process. Add resources such as files, links, and videos into your course. Incorporate activities like quizzes and forums to enhance interactivity. Customize the course layout to improve user experience. Explore the various plugins available for added functionality. Install any necessary plugins to expand Moodle's capabilities. Test the course setup by enrolling a few users for feedback. Make adjustments based on user experience and feedback. Develop a training program for instructors on using Moodle effectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.